Follow me in Instagram and WhatsApp channel for more vacancy updates. It's completely free. Hello dears, welcome back to our channel. How are you all? I hope you all are good. I'm also pretty good. We have already completed most of the topic that is for the interviews. It's just like interview questions related to teaching assistant jobs, interview questions related to teachers in UAE, interview questions for sent teachers, CV making for teaching assistant and teachers, and ATS friendly CVs. These kind of almost all things we covered. So this is the time to move on to PPT making. So during demo lesson, PPT is a must. Whether it's a language, core subject, just like English, Maths, and Science, or language that I mentioned is for Arabic, Hindi, Urdu, whatever it is, Malayalam, whatever it is. Each and every subject should have a PPT to represent or teach in classes. So in demo lesson, it's a must. We cannot avoid it. So once you are presenting the PPT, the interviewer can easily understand whether you have knowledge related to UAE or not. Because in UAE, there is a proper pattern for teaching that we are going to see now. I have already uploaded a video in Malayalam. Many of you cannot understand that, so that I'm making it in English. But this time, I'm not giving just simple as a PPT. I'm just going through each and every step in every day. I'm going to teach you each and every steps so that I cannot include in a one stretch, so that it will be divided into different categories. Each how to download the videos from YouTube, how can you implement gamification in a class, how to do poll in a class, how to use smartboard. Between this all PPTs, we have to include this kind of breathing exercises, relaxing exercises. If we are feeling like the students are like showing some behavior issues, we can give some breathing task and all. It will calm down the students, it will get the students concentration back, and you can do some of the class management tips and tricks that I have already explained in the previous videos. You can give rewards just like bronze, gold, silver. You can use the form paper for making this one. You can keep it with you, and at the end of the lesson you can give to many like some of the students. It will make this class more active and like more enjoyable. Yes. Then during these lessons you have to focus on AFL strategies. AFL strategies just like peer correction, okay, think pair share methods, or then the self correction. This kind of many AFL strategies are there. I will also explain this one. So this is the total pattern of a PPT. I will show a PPT, the blank PPT here, and you can easily download it as well. Just find me in Instagram. I will give the QR code for the Instagram ID here, so you can take a screenshot and directly go to Instagram, and you can check. Otherwise I will give the link in the description box. You can click on the link and direct to Instagram. I will post a short video over there. Just down, you just type PPT. That's better. So when you're writing PPT, automatically you will get the link in your DM. So there is an app for connecting like that. So it will be easy for me. Like I don't want to send to you. It is the system is automatically sending to you. So you can find it easily. You can download it and use it, or even you can make like editing, and you can make it as your own way. Whatever it is, you just try to do that. Then in the next days I will give classes for each one. First day lesson objective, then success criteria, then when it is coming to starter activity, which all kind of activities we have to give, how to give, these kind of things I will explain. The next day main activity differentiation, how can we give this, from where we can download this ready-made worksheets, everything I will give you as one by one. Otherwise you will still stay with many doubts in your mind because you don't have experience in UAE. So this is actually from last 7 years experience I have learned from, okay, from many schools. So this is what I'm sharing with you, so you can also
PowerPoint
follow that.
presentation. I used it during the Ministry of Education inspection for the academic year 2023-24. It serves as one of the sample presentation I can share with you, regardless of your subject, whether it's English, Maths, or any other. You can follow the same format. This template is standard across all subjects. This particular example is for a lower year. You can see it is for year 4. But the same structure is used even up to year 12, that means year 13 or grade 12. Sixth form starter. You can use that. You can of course modify and enhance as it is needed. I will explain that in another video. Today we are going through this PPT and get to know a total awareness regarding this PPT making. And to understand, PPT making is not an easy task. We can even download PPTs from Gamma or Tess, whatever it is, like different kinds of sites. That's okay. But for preparing for a demo, it is a must to include all these tasks. So we can check which all tasks are included here. As the first slide, it is going like year 4 and guess the topic for today. That is what. Actually, when we are introducing a topic, students need to tell the topic. We cannot introduce as it is. We cannot say like, yeah, today's topic is natural resources. No, it's completely wrong. Student need to guess which topic they are going to. So after seeing this picture, they will guess. It is called starter. So this starter heading is a must. Okay, I can share this PPT with you so that you can edit it. All the other things remains the same. Okay, I will show how to include this videos like video means here you can see a timer of 2 minutes. Yes, this is a video, we can play it. So this is also, I will show how to include this in a PPT. Okay, as a separate video. We cannot say everything in one uh, like one video. That's why. So when it is going to the first one, you can see a starter here, and the topic is they are guessing. The students are guessing the topic, and you can see think pair share. This is the FL strategy that we used here. Okay, think pair share. Everybody knows about it. When it is going to the second, you can see after the students are introduced the topic to us, we are telling what is our aim of the topic today. So aim means lesson objective. So here you can see a code, that is a code from Cambridge curricula. So you can exclude that. No need of this 3ESP.01, this code. Okay, no need. After that, you can write to examine that planet Earth provides the raw material for many of the items we use daily. So while setting a lesson objectives, it should be crystal clear, and we have to use higher order Bloom's taxonomy terms. I will explain detailed in another next video. Okay, like lesson objective related video. So unit is mentioned, lesson focus mentioned, everything is mentioned in one slide. When it is going to this third one, you have to write about success criteria. While you are editing, you can keep these things there. If you want to change from the vertical to horizontal, you can change it. That is according to you. But for the space saving, we are keeping it in the left side. Okay, that's it. Then success criteria, you know how to write all, most, few. We are dividing the students into higher achievers, middle achievers, and lower achievers. And uh, most means 75 percentage to 90 percentage according to Ministry of Education standards. All means 90 to 100 percentage. Few means below, like till 15 percentage we are calling as few. So you should understand what it is mean by almost and few represents. Okay, then when it is going to the next one, you can see keywords. Next heading is keywords. What are the main terms they are using? And you can see here lesson objective is coming. Once we introduce the topic lesson objective, then all the slide is containing the lesson objective. See, you can see I copied to all files so that students can easily see this one. While going to the next slide as well, if some of the students are lagging to writing, they can also even copy that, because it's a must to write lesson objective in their books while teaching. Next is video time. So I included a three video here. You can see four categories. So I divided the students into four. Red means high achievers, yellow group means middle achievers, green group means low achievers, and again one more green blue group is there. Sorry, the heading is wrong here, you can edit it. Okay, this one, it's blue group. Blue group means sense students. So you can edit the heading and use it. Then you can say different videos are given here, or you can give same videos as well. So that is according to you and according to the school system as well, because many of the schools are allowing students to bring their tablets or devices, so that in that case everybody have their own tab, they can watch individually the video. After finishing the time, they can answer, prepare for the answer, this one. Okay, so in that individual task, you don't want to like make the students write at that time if your lesson is going like with many slides. Okay, or if you need time, so we can actually tell them to prepare the answers in their mind and you can ask the questions with them. So here also the questions are differentiated. You can see one is explained, high achievers getting high level of question. Second one is what, give two examples, write one example, see, simplified the task. So like that you can keep, this is an individual task. Then when it is going to the next one, I used a flipped classroom because I already know the students. Flipped classroom means students are preparing to explain the lesson. So here you can see the students explained it. Remember, see, prerequisite checking, it is lesson objective tag is given here. Okay, you can edit this as well according to your topic. You can see the footer here, that is something related to Islamic, right? So if you are including Islamic related content, it's a plus point here because this is an Islamic country, we are boosting Islamic culture here. So do not waste even if performing ablution on the bank of a fast flowing large river. It's from Al Tirmidhi. So this is also we can include here for boosting our PPT. So you can see many of the tasks till now we included and many are coming. And timer is also included. Then differentiated task. This is a group activity we are giving. We are dividing the students into groups. Red group, high achievers, middle achievers, low achievers, and here the SEND students. You can see SEND students having very easy task, and according to their level, we are dividing the task. And once the students are finishing the differentiated task, they don't want to sit simply. So we can give another paper with them that is called enrichment activity. See, that is also we need to take printout and bring with. Okay, so we can give to them. If there is, if you are not getting time to print out these all things for a demo lesson, you can show this in the class itself. And always remember, in all British curriculum schools and most of the CBSE schools, they don't have devices with the children, so that different kinds of videos we cannot give to with the students for the first task. You can see here different videos are given, it is not possible with them, so that we can keep only one video and four different questions. This way we can adjust. Okay, so here as well we are giving worksheets with them, they are doing in group. So self assessment time, so after doing their task they can uh, actually give the rubrics with them, answer keys with them, so the students can self assess. So self assessment is an AFL strategy that we can use. You can see the lesson objective is given on the top, and this Islamic like that quote is also given on the top. Timer is also given 5 minutes. After finishing the timer, we have to quickly move on. Even though the students are not finished, maximum 1 minute extra we can give. Other than that, nothing. We are moving to the next one. Tims and pearls is these are the benchmark examination in the schools. So we can use this term as well here, so that the interviewer can understand, you know about Tims and Pearls examination, you know the benchmark examinations of UAE. So here the task is just one question and four options are given, right? Because 40 minutes we are getting, we have to touch all these headings like starter, success criteria, lesson objective, keywords, video should be included for the technical knowledge, then differentiated tasks should be included. We have to ask differentiated questions with them, give differentiated instruction, these kind of benchmark exam related things. Then AFL strategies, plenary, UAE link. This kind of many headings are there. We have to go through all these, right? So, limited time, we need to give simple tasks with them. See, this is 2 minutes given. Answer is also after that we are showing. Then moving on. Critical thinking questions. So critical thinking, simple question we are giving, but it should be critical thinking related. They can answer it easily. Yeah, in this slide you can see 2071 an aim to create Dubai the most technology adapted city in the world. So this is an optional task. For boosting our PPT we have done like that, but it is not mandatory to include. Okay, so even if it is not there, no problem. But it is going to the next. Here you can see UAE link and SDG goals, sustainable development goals. These two are very very important in UAE's like teaching and learning, because it's a must. So you have to include this all sustainable development goal and a question related to UAE link, or you can do it separately as well. Okay, I will explain it detail in as a separate video. Then at the end, plenary, and you can see the bronze, silver, and gold. These are the three reward, right? Then plenary is given and I can statement also given. So the students are writing the I can statement and we can finish it that time itself. If you are completed till here, you are very very excellent in taking PPTs. That is the meaning. So you can include this much PPTs, this till this slide in a 13 slide format. Okay, that is good. If it is finishing within 13 slide, you can easily complete your task in 40 minutes. Okay, but we are already experienced teachers in that particular class. This is for Ministry of Education, that inspection time, right? Already we know the students. So according to the students, we can make extended PPTs as well. But the normal format is only 13 slides. Here 19 slides are there. So this is extra. Some are extra. So after finishing this, if we have time, you can actually mark the rewards in Class Dojo. This is an app provided by the school. You can exclude this slide. Okay, you can exclude this slide because you don't have a Class Dojo for the students. Okay, exclude it. Then when it is coming individual tasks, and other than that, if we have extra time, we have to somehow manage. Yes, so that we are giving this one. Then practice at home, virtual lab. Then thank you. That's it. This is an extra 2 3 questions we will add always, because during ministry inspection, if there because of any um, obstacles, like if another teacher is not reached the class, what we will do, we cannot stop the class. We have to continue the lesson. Even if the teacher is 15 minutes late to our class, we have to control the class by teaching them. There is no option to stop the class on that time. So that's why we are included extra slides over here. I'm making this video for you because you don't want to lose your job only because of this demo session. You should know how to make a proper PPT without any confusion, so that you should watch this all videos as my suggestion. This is for you. This will definitely beneficial for you. After finishing the task, you will get to know lot of things, even that you could answer to the interview questions.
That if you like this kind of videos, I'm usually uploading this kind of videos. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you so much, all of you. Please don't forget to watch the videos of lesson objective tomorrow. See you again. Bye bye. Stay tuned.